The sports and recreation industry is undergoing a digital revolution, reshaping fan experiences, operations, and revenue streams. AWS plays a pivotal role in this transformation, offering scalable solutions to meet evolving demands. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Real-time analytics and AI are enhancing player performance and strategy. Wearable sensors and IoT devices provide insights into player health and injury prevention, supported by AWS's robust data management services. AWS services support seamless AI integration, allowing teams to leverage data for strategic advantages. This technology-driven approach is revolutionizing how sports organizations operate and compete. OTT streaming and AR/VR are revolutionizing fan experiences, creating hyper-personalized interactions. AI-driven content recommendations enhance engagement, making every fan feel like a VIP. The fitness industry embraces virtual training and connected equipment, offering users on-demand workouts and personalized coaching. AWS supports these innovations with scalable cloud solutions. Scalability and performance issues are addressed with AWS Cloud Solutions, ensuring robust security and compliance for sensitive data. AWS services facilitate seamless integration of emerging technologies. AWS's comprehensive suite of services empowers sports and fitness companies to innovate and scale efficiently, overcoming challenges in data management and infrastructure costs. AWS Autoscaling and Cost Explorer optimize operational costs, while the AWS well-architected framework ensures best practices in cloud architecture. Business Compass LLC provides tailored strategies for maximizing AWS investments. By leveraging AWS's cost optimization tools, organizations can achieve significant savings, allowing them to reinvest in innovation and growth. As an AWS advanced consulting partner, Business Compass LLC offers cloud strategy and migration services. Our custom AI and analytics solutions enhance sports analytics and fitness tracking. Our managed services provide end-to-end cloud management and support, ensuring organizations maximize their AWS investments and achieve their digital transformation goals. Join us in embracing the future of sports and recreation. Contact Business Compass LLC today to unlock the full potential of AWS and drive your digital transformation forward.